Hey guys, so I had a request to do a quick video on how to download the color palette swatch file into Procreate. So this is the email you would have gotten for your color palettes. You're going to scroll all the way down. If you're not using Procreate on your iPad, you're going to download this top.jpg file and just save it to your photos and use the picture. If you're going to use the swatch file or the file that's compatible with Procreate, you're going to tap on this link. It's going to open it up in Dropbox. So if you don't have the Dropbox app downloaded on your iPad, it should still work. It should just open up in a web browser, but this is downloaded into my app. So this says .swatch files can't be previewed. It doesn't mean that you can't download it. You still can. So you're going to tap on this download to bring up the drop-down menu. You can either save it to your Dropbox if you have Dropbox as an app on your iPad, or you can just do a direct download. Tap direct download. You have an option to create a Dropbox account if you don't already have one, or just tap this no thanks, continue to download if you don't want to download the app or create an account. Next, it's going to bring you to this page that looks like an error, but it's not. This is the file. So you're going to tap open in Procreate. And this will bring you right into Procreate where it's already downloaded the color palette. So if you want to try to find your color palette, open up a canvas. This is just the same canvas that I made the color palette in. Tap on the little color wheel thing here, tap on palettes, and your imported color palette will be all the way at the bottom. Okay, that's it.